Hello, my name is Llewellyn Winter, and I'm a Customer Success Manager with Solutions PT. In this video, I'm going to talk about the folders you can configure in your AVEVA Flex portal. Folders give you the opportunity to organize your agreements into multiple geographic or functional sites. It allows you to limit which products a site can request and sets limits on how many credits they can use. If a limit is reached, a notification is then sent to a user that you specify. You can create multiple levels of folders, starting off with your root that represents the account, and then a folder can have any number of subfolders. It's then assigned a name, a credit limit, and a notifier who will receive an email if the limit is exceeded, and then finally a product set. Folders can be edited or deleted if needed. Your Flex admin can do this. They can create and edit the folder structures, and all other users can then view them once they are created. So let's jump into the portal. Okay, so once you've logged into your portal, navigate over to the menu bar, select folders, and here we'll see the root folder. The name has already been populated from the account name. Next, we'll enter the credit limit. This should be the max credit limit as it is the root. And next, we'll select the user that we want notified if we exceed that limit. Hit the Create button. Next, we want to add a subfolder. Let's give the subfolder a name. And we enter the credit limit for this subfolder. I'm entering 500 here. Next, we'll choose the user that we want notified of any breaches. And we're going to choose a color for this folder. Let's hit Create. I'm going to go ahead and make a second site. And let's choose a different color for this folder. Right, so once we've got the sites created, as you can see here, we now want to map our sites to the accounts in our site. So Mac Solutions is going to go to Mac Solutions, and Solutions PT, we're going to map to the Solutions PT agreement. Once that's done, we want to map products. So in this case, I just want this site to have access to the InTouch products. I've selected them here, and I click on Save. Let's do the same for our Solutions PT site, but in this instance, I just want them to have application server products out of the Flex portal. Now I've searched for them, and I just select the products that I want visible. And we save. If I go back to my main portal and I click on Create License Request, I'm going to select my site as Mac Solutions. And when I go to Add Item, you'll notice that I can only see the InTouch products that I've made available within that folder. So those are the only license requests that I can submit from this account. If we switch over to Solutions PT, yeah, we can see we only have the application server products. So let's navigate back to the folders quickly. If we go back to the folder structure, yeah, we can see a summary of our whole account. We've got a license count and request count there. If we expand that out, now we can get a summary per site as well. So if I expand Solutions PT, here I can see all the product details, all the site details, so the agreement number and site ID. And here's the credit usage that I'm burning down at the moment. We also have a summary of all the requests that have been made. And a summary of all the licenses that have been requested for that site. And lastly, if we click on the burn down, here we can actually see how all our products are burning down our credits on a monthly basis. We can see it from month to month, the unit cost and the product usage, whether it is burning down at a rate or a single use. I hope you found this video informative, and thank you for watching. Please be sure to check out all the other videos on the Solutions PT channel.